Struggling to lose belly fat after 40? You're not alone. Once you hit your 40s, your metabolism slows, hormones shift, and fat starts clinging to your midsection like glue. But here's the secret. The right foods can switch your fat-burning engine back on. Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful foods that don't just help you slim down. They specifically target stubborn belly fat after 40. And trust me, number 7 and number 10 are complete game changers that most people overlook. Let's dive straight in. Number 1, avocados, the belly fat killer. Avocados aren't just trendy. They're a fat-burning powerhouse. They're loaded with monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol and keep blood sugar levels stable. That's huge because unstable blood sugar leads to cravings, which almost always end up as belly fat. What's even better? Avocados are rich in potassium, more than bananas, which helps fight bloating by reducing water retention. Eating half an avocado with breakfast or lunch can help you feel satisfied for hours, cutting down on unnecessary snacking that feeds belly fat. Number 2, salmon, the metabolism booster. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation, a hidden culprit behind belly fat storage. Inflammation not only slows your metabolism, but also makes it harder to shed fat even when you're eating right. Omega-3s also improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body processes carbs more efficiently instead of storing them as fat. Aim for 2 servings of salmon a week, whether grilled, baked, or even added into salads. Over time, it can transform your body's ability to burn fat, especially around the waistline. Number 3, oats, the morning fat burner. Starting your day with oats is like giving your metabolism a head start. Oats are packed with soluble fiber, which slows digestion and keeps blood sugar steady. That means no mid-morning crashes that leave you reaching for junk food. The beta-glucan fiber in oats is particularly powerful. It binds to cholesterol in your gut, helping to clear it out and improve heart health, which is critical after 40. Add some berries and nuts on top, and you've got a nutrient-dense breakfast that powers you through the morning while burning fat steadily. Number 4, eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein you can eat, containing all 9 essential amino acids. After 40, muscle mass naturally declines, and with less muscle, your metabolism slows. Eating eggs helps counteract that by supporting muscle maintenance and growth. Plus, eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that specifically targets fat buildup in the liver, a key area tied to stubborn belly fat. Whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, 2 eggs in the morning can keep you full and fuel your fat-burning potential. Number 5, berries, nature's detox. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are low in calories but incredibly high in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. They fight oxidative stress, which damages cells and makes belly fat harder to lose. The natural polyphenols in berries also regulate fat metabolism and reduce inflammation. Studies have even shown that blueberries can directly influence genes that regulate fat storage. Adding a handful to your oatmeal smoothie or Greek yogurt is a delicious way to support fat loss and keep your sweet tooth satisfied, without the guilt. Number 6, almonds, the snack that burns fat. When you snack on almonds, you're giving your body a fat-burning boost instead of a sugar spike. Almonds are rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, all of which help curb hunger and prevent overeating. They also contain magnesium, which supports muscle function and energy production, 2 critical factors as you age. What's fascinating is that almonds don't just prevent weight gain. Research shows they can actually reduce abdominal fat directly. A small handful between meals can keep your metabolism humming and cravings under control. Number 7, quinoa, the forgotten supergrain. Quinoa is often called a supergrain, but it's technically a seed, and one of the best carb choices you can make after 40. It's high in protein and contains all essential amino acids, which means it helps preserve muscle mass while keeping you full. Its low glycemic index ensures a slow release of energy, preventing fat storage from insulin spikes. Unlike refined carbs like white rice, quinoa keeps you satisfied, stabilizes blood sugar, and directly helps in reducing belly fat. Number 8, Greek yogurt, the gut-healing superfood. Greek yogurt is a belly fat fighter because of its high protein and probiotic content. Protein helps you stay full, while probiotics balance gut bacteria. Why does that matter? A healthy gut reduces inflammation and improves digestion, both of which are tied to stubborn fat around your midsection. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid hidden sugars, and add fruit or honey for flavor. Over time, the combination of protein and probiotics helps flatten your belly while supporting overall health. Number 9. Sweet potatoes, the hormone-friendly carb. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbs, fiber, and beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. After 40, hormones like leptin and insulin can become imbalanced, leading to increased belly fat. Sweet potatoes help stabilize these hormones thanks to their slow-digesting carbs that keep you full and prevent spikes in blood sugar. They also provide potassium, which reduces bloating and water retention. Swap regular potatoes for sweet potatoes, and you'll notice more stable energy and less fat clinging to your waistline. Number 10. Chili peppers, the fat-burning spice. Chili peppers may be small, but they pack a fiery punch when it comes to fat loss. They contain capsaicin, a compound that increases thermogenesis. Basically, it heats up your body and forces it to burn more calories, even at rest. Beyond boosting metabolism, chili peppers also help reduce appetite, making it easier to eat fewer calories without feeling deprived. Adding fresh chili, cayenne, or hot sauce to your meals is an easy way to kick your fat burning into high gear while adding flavor at the same time. So, if you're over 40 and frustrated with stubborn belly fat, remember, exercise matters, but food is the real game changer. These 10 foods don't just fill your stomach. They fuel your metabolism, balance your hormones, and melt away fat naturally. Which of these foods will you start adding to your meals today? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if this video gave you value, hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Let's beat belly fat together.